There's nothing to fear if you try, if you keep believing, like rain falling soft from the sky. I'll tend to your needs. Oh, oh, so bright and white, my heart levitates.
Hey friends, and welcome to a cozy cleaning day here at the farmhouse. So outside right now, it is a beautiful rainy day, and you might think that's a bit weird for me to say that it's a beautiful rainy day, but I absolutely love the rain. There is something comforting and peaceful about it. I love the sound of the rain. I love the smell of it outside. It's just so calming and I love it. But I think the other reason too is because I live in a very dry area of the world, and so we don't get a ton of rain. So when we do, it's actually really special. But in any case, I do have a bunch of cleaning to get done today, and normally I like to just get it done like as soon as possible so that I can get on to doing other things such as enjoying the sunshine outside, which obviously I can't do today, spending time with my kids, or just curling up with a good book and a coffee. But as I was thinking today of all the things that I need to get done, I realized that I don't need to rush everything. There is not a big race in life, and I can actually just take my time and enjoy cleaning a little bit more, because I'm kind of hoping that it won't feel like such a chore then. There is a saying in life that if you enjoy what you do, then you never work a day in your life. And I think that can really apply to cleaning as well. If we can take just a little bit more joy in what we do as we're tidying up our houses and just being grateful for the things that we have, then I feel like it's just gonna be so much more enjoyable to clean and to tidy up, and it's just not gonna feel like a chore then. So that is really my goal for today. I hope that you really enjoy this cleaning motivation and that you just feel like you want to clean, but you don't have to clean. That's what I'm really hoping for. So let's go ahead and get started in a very calming and relaxing way.
It takes so little just to make me smile, but you don't seem to be around. My body aches for someone who makes me right, but you don't seem to take the time. You're on a mission now, I know you can't get out, and our time is running out. Ooh, bye-bye love, 'cause you don't know what my dreams are like and where I wanna go with you. Ooh, bye-bye love.
Today in my bedroom, I don't need to do a deep cleaning because the other day I vacuumed and wiped everything down. So today all I need to do is tidy up a little bit, pick up everything off the floor, as well as put a few items away and make my bed. And just doing these few things makes such a huge transformation in my room. It makes it feel calming and cozy, and it's just a weight off of my mind to know that my bedroom is just waiting for me with nothing to do in there but relax. So now I'm going to move on to my bathroom, and here again there is not a lot of cleaning that needs to be done. I just need to tidy up the counters, wipe them down, and then clean my tub as well. I'm trying to savor the joy of cleaning by embracing all of my senses while I tidy up. I can hear the rain drizzling outside. I can feel the warm water on my hands as I wet the washcloth, and I can feel the fresh smell of cleanliness as as I wipe everything down. Also, I'm planning on lighting a candle at the end of this bathroom clean, so this bathroom is going to smell so wonderfully fragrant and it's going to be very calming. Another thing is that there is a visual element to this as you clean, because you can see the transformation and it just feels so satisfying and so relaxing. And like I said, with my bedroom, to have that weight off of my mind, the same thing happens in the bathroom. When you know you have a fresh, clean bathroom, it does take a lot of stress away when you can walk into a space and it's just nice and tidy. So I'm really trying to embrace this whole joy of cleaning, because then I will enjoy it and I won't dread it, and it's something that I want to do, and I really hope that this inspires you guys as well and makes you want to tidy up so that you can have a more stress-free home.
So I found myself in tears. Every day was filled with fear. When you feel you wanted more, and suddenly you're on the floor. And I left my heart with you. There is nothing else to do. I would like to have it back. It's broken and far from intact, and as dangerous as it is, we couldn't wait for the first kiss. Here comes the complications, and now we're slowly fading. I know what's on your mind, but now it's time to move on. We forgot to say goodbye. There's an ocean deep and wide between you and me, but still I'll be there if you say you will. It is not all said and done, and we cannot really run. We're not stuck and we're not free. I wonder if we'll ever be.
So my daughter's room that I'm showing you now could definitely cause some stress and anxiety because it is such a catastrophe, but I'm trying to still keep the joy in my cleaning and just embrace all of the textures of her room and enjoy the process of it going from a complete mess to a tidy sanctuary for her. And also I'm trying to remember that although this place is a mess, it means that she's been having fun in here. She's been creating memories by playing with her dinosaurs and having tea parties and playing with her stuffed animals. So I'm just trying to keep that in mind as I tidy up and realize that if we all lived in a perfect world where everything was perfectly clean all the time, life would be very boring. So I'm just trying to create a cozy and clean environment for her so she can make more messy memories.
Somebody said it should be easy to forgive. We all make mistakes and no one lives without sin. But why'd you have to break my heart? I wasn't ready to let you go yet. And now you're standing at my door, thinking that I'm gonna let you in. But if you wanted to be loved, you should have never let me go. Hope somebody will break your heart so you could feel this pain and know what it's like to be left out in the cold, standing by yourself, no one to hold. If you still wanted to be loved, you should have never let me go.
company COSYLAND was kind enough to send me one of their extra large woven storage baskets, and guys, this is such great quality. It's really big, so you can store so many different things in it. I think it would look really nice in a living room, and you could store blankets in it. But what we're going to use it for today is for my daughter's stuffed animals. Now, normally she puts her stuffed animals in the closet and we display them on the shelves, but then she'll just take them all out and throw them all over the place, and it was really difficult for her to clean up after herself because that was just way too complicated for her to put everything back on the shelf. But this is so easy having this storage basket because she can just throw her stuffed animals in here and it's just really easy to clean up. Plus, it is just so pretty that I really feel it adds to the decor in her room. So this basket comes in a variety of different styles, and I will leave the links below to both the United States and Canada if you guys would like to check it out. COSYLAND is also offering 15% off to all of my viewers, so I will include the discount code below in the description box as well. The code is good for a limited time only, so make sure that you don't wait on checking out these amazing baskets.
Close your eyes, get some rest. I'm by your side, lay your head on my chest. I know you've had a really bad day, but I'm right here, it's gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. Calm your soul, hold my hand, don't let go. I understand. I know it hurts, it wasn't fair. It's over now, so don't despair. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay.
Meant for each other, staring in her dark green eyes. I want to love her, scared if I should roll the dice and go with the flow. And I wonder if you ever think of me, and if you want to drink another coffee I find out in time. I meant to call, but I was too scared to hear you say, oh, you're not the one, no, you're not the one. So I hold on to this dream a little longer.
This is the view from outside Clara's room, and as you can see, it's still a wonderfully gloomy, drizzly day, and so we're gonna sit here in her tent and listen to the rain outside while we read some books and cozy up and just enjoy the wonderful coziness and cleanliness of her room. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If so, please let me know in the comments below, because if you enjoy these more calm, relaxing cleans, then I will make sure to do more of them. Okay guys, have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.
Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you.